Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you are welcome. In this video,
So for this
I'm going to be
particular
showing you
soup, we have
how
beef.
to cook a delicious
We also
Nigerian
have
EGUSI soup.
cow
Let's get
intestine
started.
and tripe. We have a little bit of everything for this special EGUSI soup. So we are going to season it with salt and bouillon. Then we add water. I'm going to add a touch of onions, not too much onions, so that your soup will not start tasting like a stew. I'm going to add water. For every Nigerian cooking, soup, stew, we start by cooking our protein. So I'm going to cover this pot and let the meat cook. All right? So as the meat is cooking, it's time to introduce our ingredients for today's cooking. So this is ground EGUSI. This is the EGUSI soup recipe we are cooking today. Today we are making a delicious, simple Nigerian EGUSI soup. So this is a ground EGUSI. It's in powdered form, but this is the real EGUSI. All right, this is the seed. All right, look at the seed. This is it when it's grounded. So we're going to make soup with this EGUSI, with this ground EGUSI. We get this seed from a particular pumpkin. All right, this is a pumpkin seed, but you don't eat the flesh of that particular pumpkin. It only produces the seed, which is the EGUSI. So we are going to make a delicious soup. EGUSI soup happens to be one of my favorite soup. All right, and here we have washed smoked fish. Okay, this is washed. I used hot water that you can handle to wash it. Wash off the dirt, wash off the aged oil. You know, it has oil, so you wash it off, debone it using it. So we're going to put smoked fish. So we have fresh pepper, and this is locust bean. We call it ogili. It's a secret ingredient, a very secret ingredient in any Nigerian soup. All right, it's called ogili, locust bean. For vegetable, we're going to be using spinach. I have 3 of these. Okay, you know spinach wilts. I'm going to be using only spinach. If I am in Nigeria, I will use ugu. Check the meat. The meat has been cooking for a while. Okay, and I believe it's... So here I'm gonna add oil, Nigerian red oil. Okay, let it cook for 2 minutes to reduce the strong taste. All right, so let's add the EGUSI. There are so many recipes for this EGUSI soup depending on the state you come from. Okay, this is how we cook EGUSI soup. Some people put it like dumplings, like mix it with water and they drop it like balls. Okay, so this is how we cook EGUSI soup. So now I forgot to introduce our crayfish, another secret ingredient. I'm gonna add it. This is dry shrimp, little shrimps, smoked dry. The taste is very strong. And here we have the pepper blend with the locust bean ogili. So add it, mix it up. Allow the egusi to cook very well before adding vegetable. Let's check the soup. All right, so today we are cooking a very simple Nigerian egusi soup. All right, and as you can see, it is ready. We gave our egusi time to cook. You have to give it time to cook properly before adding the vegetable. Now it is ready. I've added the fish also. Okay, so let's add vegetable. We are using spinach. And then we are done cooking. Please share this video. All right, comment, ask your question. Don't allow the vegetable to overcook. The heat can wilt it and cook it, okay? Delicious. Delicious.
Now I can see it. That is it for me.
This is our 3 minutes, okay? I'm going to get the soup out of the heat. So the heat will do the remaining cooking of the vegetable. Look at our soup. It is delicious. You must try it. Let's plate. So today we prepared a delicious, as you can see, it looks delicious and it's very delicious, egusi soup. Simple steps on how to cook a delicious egusi soup. And we've come to the end of this video. We use our soup to eat swallow foo-foo. Okay? Please share this video.